My name is Pajonk. I'm working at Elektrobit since 1.5 years now in the operating system department, Linux operating system. Eclipse S-CORE is the first automotive middleware that has been developed in the open source. Especially the certifiability in open source is an aspect that has not been covered before. This is quite important, and targeting high-performance applications in the automotive, such as ADAS and these directions, is of course also very important. Most open source software is not prepared for safety from the start. It's being developed in the open, created by developers, which are not focusing on aspects that are required for certifiability. So this is a point that has to be covered, and Eclipse S-CORE tries to exactly do this, to cover also in the open source the traceability, the requirements, the process aspects, all of this, and prepare this for certification, because after the fact this is not feasible anymore. I think this is a decisive factor. If you try to retrofit this to an open source project, you will not succeed, because this is a huge effort. You do it once for one system, and then you need to do updates, and this will be very expensive. You need to do it possibly again, and if you're not prepared for it. And S-CORE tries to prepare for exactly this case. We have seen software eating the world. Open source is eating software. It's already happening. Already in the infrastructure domain, cloud and so on, it runs on open source. Why would this not happen in safety critical software as well? I don't see a reason. In fact, it's already happening. There are efforts to qualify in the open compilers, like the LLVM qualification group. The Rust compiler is qualified already. Operating systems like ThreadX, this is happening. Why would it not happen in high-performance middleware, or even in general for safety-critical software? You need to be prepared for this. They can expect a lot. Modern IDEs, development containers, modern build systems, all defined via infrastructure as code, everything is code, all versions pinned and so on, reproducible environments, all of this is there, and this kind of stuff enables the kind of experience you have with the reference integration of Eclipse S-CORE. You can directly in the browser start working, actual working. You can have within 3 clicks and 5 types, you have a running system that actually built the whole thing. And I think for a starting point, this is very important for developers. Is it what they always will work on? Maybe not, but the starting point is there, and you have a very, very small gap or very small hurdle to start developing.